Okay, so here is another quick card tutorial. Here's a question that I've never gotten before, that I can't remember actually having answered before. And it's, how do I delete a site from my card account? And I've done this a ton of times, but I actually don't think somebody has ever asked this specifically. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And let's see, I believe it's right here, actually. Let me go. Site. It's delete site down here. So you want to be sure, of course, that you do want to delete the site because they are going to remove it from your account. This process is permanent and cannot be undone. But if you're certain about that, you want to just go to that check mark, hit delete site, and that is gone. All right, it was down here and it is no longer. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget, if you're interested in using card for your agency in 2025, this is the absolute best time of year to buy a card membership, simply because it's like 40% off. Their Black Friday special is ridiculously good. It lasts for a while, so I'm recording this on November 27th, and I think it should last for another couple weeks. But it's the time of year that I always stock up on card sites, and if you're interested in these videos, so too should you. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to everyone soon.